Lightweight versus heavyweight. Which one is more effective for muscle growth? If you want to experience maximum muscle growth, you should incorporate both heavy and light lifting into your workout routine. When lifting light weights, the goal is to focus on the specific muscle you are trying to build. When focusing on muscle growth using lightweight, you should slow down your momentum. Momentum is not your friend when using lighter weights. When lifting lighter weights, aim for higher reps to failure to create overload on the muscles. Here are a few reasons why lifting light weights should be a part of your routine. Understanding your muscle fibers is crucial. Type 1 fibers are slow-twitch muscles used for endurance activities like distance running and walking. Type 2 fibers are required for activities like sprinting, jumping, and lifting heavy weights, which require a lot of force in a short amount of time. Training both type 1 and 2 fibers can induce muscle growth and help in achieving a great balance. Training with lighter weights helps in learning how to resist fatigue, training your muscles for quick recovery. Contracting the muscle of a specific body part rather than just focusing on lifting the weight from point A to B is crucial. This will result in effective muscle contraction. Using lighter weights creates an opportunity to contract the muscle effectively. Training with a lighter load helps create a mind-muscle connection, increasing productivity when training with heavier weights. Muscle recovery is an essential step in muscle growth. Performing higher reps can aid in muscle recovery. Lifting a bit lighter is a great substitute on training days with joint discomfort, allowing the muscles to take the lead and reduce stress on the joint. Additionally, higher reps can increase blood flow to the muscles, aiding in nutrient delivery and recovery. This is because higher rep ranges increase time under tension, which can break down slow-twitch muscle fibers and cause metabolic stress that promotes muscle growth. Increased blood flow can also help deliver nutrients like BCAAs or protein to the muscles. Some say that the best time to chase the pump is at the end of a workout. For beginners, using light bands or body weight to do 25 to 50 reps, stopping within 3 to 5 reps of failure can be a great starting point.